Hi, I'm Paul Robertson, and I teach a violin class at Westview Middle School for 5th graders from River Oaks Elementary, Palmer Lane Elementary, and Northwest Elementary. So these are some lessons for them and for anybody else who can use the help with these. First of all, I'm going to show you the pepperoni pizza Twinkle variation. Okay, we go to the A string. And the A string is the second string from the bottom if you're holding it like this. And we're going to use just the A and the E string. First we're going to play. Make sure you have a very good bow hold. Make sure that your pinky is nice and curved. Look at my thumb. Make sure that your thumb is nice and bent like that. And my pinky's up on top. Place our bow right here in between the bridge and the fingerboard. We're going to play this rhythm. That's a pepperoni pizza. Now we're going to rock over to the E string. The E string is the one that's closest to your body, like that. And then we're going to put our first finger down on the E string, right there. You should have a tape to show you where that is. And then lift it off. Play open E. Now you're going to put all 3 fingers down on the A string. You're going to rock your bow over to your 3rd finger on the A string. Your 2nd finger. 1st finger. And then open A. Okay, we call that part bread, okay, because we're making a twinkle sandwich. So let me show you one more time. On the A string, we're going to do that. Make sure you start on a down bow first, in the middle of the bow. So not at the frog, not at the tip, in the middle. Ready, go. E string. 1st finger on the E string, that's called F sharp. Back to E. This time, try and put your 3rd finger down on the A string. Keep your other fingers close. Rock over to the A string, your 3rd finger. And 2nd finger right next to it. 1st finger. So that's the bread. Now, whatever sandwich you like to make, that could be a cheese sandwich, it could be roast beef with 2 slices of roast beef, it could be turkey with 2 slices of turkey. The main thing is to remember that it's going to be 2 slices. So, the middle part of the sandwich starts on E, okay? On the E string, open E, no fingers down. Then you're going to put 3rd finger down on the A string and rock your bow over the A string. And then 2nd finger. 1st finger. Back to the E string. Ready? This is for the 2nd slice. Okay? The 2nd slice is identical to the 1st slice. Starts on open E. Rock over to the A string, put your 3rd finger down right on top of that tape. 3rd finger, that's called D, and then 2nd finger is called C sharp. And then 1st finger is called B. Okay, so let's go over that. That's the middle part of the sandwich. We did the bread. Now we're doing the, I'll call it cheese, 2 slices of cheese, making a cheese sandwich, okay? So it starts on E, rock over to 3rd finger, then 2nd finger, 1st finger, back to the E string, back over to 3rd finger, that's called D, 2nd finger is called C sharp, first finger. Okay, so that was the cheese part, 2 slices. Then we need another piece of bread. So bread starts on A, rocks over to E, open E, first finger on the E string. Make sure it's nice and square, right? And make sure your wrist is nice and straight. And then lift that off, open the E. And then put your third finger down on the A string, rock your bow over to the A string. Oops. And second finger, first finger. There you go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to play it slowly so you can play along with me. The first part was just to show you how to play it. I'll still be saying things to help you play it correctly. Okay? So remember, get a really good bow hold first. Okay? Good position. Make sure that your instrument's nice and high. You have some space in here. Okay? Put your bow on the A string. And here we go. You ready? Go. A. Rock to E string. Put your first finger on E string. Back to open E string. Third finger on the A string. Second finger. First finger. Open A. Back over to E string. This is the cheese. Third finger on A string, rock over. Second finger. First finger. Back to E for the second slice of cheese. Third finger on A string. Second finger. First finger. Then bread. A. Over to E. First finger on E string. Back to open E. Rock over to third finger on the A string. Then right down, second finger. First finger. Open A. I'll be showing you some more variations of the Twinkle. But first, I'd like to show you how to do longbow twinkle. Okay? Longbow twinkle is more the way we sing it. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Okay, so we start on the A string. This time we start a little bit below the middle, and we play A twice, down and then up bow, rock over to E, play E twice, down bow, and up bow, and then put your first finger down on E. Ready, go. Twice, and then this time we play open E, but we do a very long bow, and we go towards the tip. Star. We stop our bow. Now we rock over to the A string, third finger, and we go up bow, and then down bow, second finger, up, down, first finger up, down, and then another long bow on A. So you should be close to the frog now. Now we rock over to the E string for the cheese, open E twice, and then we rock over to the third finger on the A string, twice, up, second finger twice, and first finger just once, long bow. And we stop our bow, go back over to the E string, we go up bow on E, up, down, then we rock over to the third finger on the A string, up, down, then up, down, and then a long bow on first finger, up, stop our bow, and then we start on A string, no fingers, then open E twice, first finger on E string, and then long bow towards the tip, stop your bow, rock over to the third finger on the A string, up, down, up, going to play it where you can play along with me. Start on the A string. Ready, go. A, A, E, E. First finger. Now a long bow on E. Stop your bow. Over to third finger on the A string. Go up bow. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Now long bow on A. Stop your bow. Go over to E for the cheese part. Down. Up. Then third finger on the A string. Second finger. First finger, long bow. Stop your bow, go back over to E and go up bow. Over to third finger on the A string, second finger, and then first finger, long bow, and then bread again. Open A twice, E, first finger on the E string, open E, rock over to the A string, third finger, second finger, first finger, A, all the way towards the tip. And that was Longbow Twinkle.